Isa sa fastest growing sneaker brand ngayon, ang On. Pero sino nga ba ang unang atleta na nagtiwala sa kanila? Pag-usapan natin. Imagine being with Nike for 24 years. Pero matapos to, iniwan ka lang ng Nike just like that. This is Roger Federer, a professional tennis player and dominated the sport for a long time. He was even considered the greatest of all time. Sinuot ni Federer ang Nike since he was 13 years old. Lahat ng big wins niya, 20 Grand Slam titles, lahat yan naka-swoosh. At may sarili pa siyang RF logo under Nike. Para siyang Kobe and Jordan ng Nike. Pero sa tennis world naman siya. Pero noong 2018, natapos ang kontrata niya sa Nike. Ang Nike, walang ginawa. Hinayaan lang nila mag-expire ang kontrata ni Federer sa kanila. Parang binitawan na lang nila si Roger Federer quietly. For most athletes, siguro lilipat sila sa malalaking brands din. Puma, Adidas, or Under Armour. But, not Federer. He did the unthinkable. Umirma siya ng 10-year deal with On. Isang maliit na Swiss running shoes company na hindi pa kilala noon. Performance shoes lang to normally para sa long-distance runners. Pero ang matindi, Federer didn't just sign for the money. He signed for shares. Ilang niya gustong maging mukha ng brand, gusto niya ring maging part owner nito. Sumali siya sa product development and brand strategy ng On. Sabi niya, let's bring On into the lifestyle and the tennis space. Kaya ginawa nila yung The Roger. Isa tong sleek, minimalist, and everyday sneakers na may tennis feels. Sobrang linis ng design nito, kaya sold out agad. Sinuot niya to off-court at pinromote niya sa mga interviews. Fast forward 2021, On goes public to New York Stock Exchange. Ang valuation, $11 billion. At yung 3% stake ni Federer ay nagkakahalagang $300 million day 1 pa lang. Ngayon, On is one of the fastest growing sneaker companies in the world. They are now competing with the giants. Ang business lesson dito, if you have an idea or gut feel that something has a potential, bank on it. Who knows, you might just create your own On moment. Ikaw, fan ka rin ba ng On? Comment mo naman sa comment section.